welcome back to my channel English with Kalpana. How are you? I hope you will be good. My name is Kalpana and I'm going to talk about how to choose a topic and a beginner how to choose a topic. So please watch this video till the end. I make sure this video will be helpful to improve your speaking and to choose a topic. And friends, if you like my effort, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to talk about how to choose a topic. And every week, every English learner have to face this problem. Have to face many problems, and this problem is one of them. So, and if you know how to write English, how to read English, then you don't understand how to start speaking English and how to choose topic to speak in English. Then you can try this. You can try this. You can choose any topic like introduction, about your family, about your favorite things, and any incident, any story which is related your life, and anything, whatever you want. You want to speak on this topic. So friends, and if you don't understand, if you don't know how to speak and how to start, then you can try. You can write down some lines on that topic. And you can, if you don't know how to write, then you can write down this topic with the help of any video, any book, and read it loudly and try to speak. And you are not still speaking, then you try again and again until you are not able to speak on that topic. So I think this is the best way to start and to speak. And these are easy topics. You can express your views in English in very easy, in simple words, simple sentences. So you can try this. And I want to share my routine, my daily routine, and I hope it will be helpful to tell your daily routine. So, and this is based on present indefinite tense. When we tell about our daily routine, then it is based on present indefinite tense. So friends, I wake up 5 o'clock and I stay on my bed 5 minutes. Then I get up and I go to the kitchen and I drink lukewarm water. After that, I freshen up, I wash my face and I brush my teeth, and then I clean my house. And I have a shower and get dressed. I comb my hair, I worship. After that, I wake up my son and I help him to ready for school, and I make breakfast, and after that I pack his lunch box. I pack his lunch box and I served. I serve breakfast to my husband and my son, and then he goes to school. After that I having my breakfast, and while having breakfast I watch some videos, and after some time I cook my lunch, and I serve lunch to my husband, and he goes to the shop. After that I wash dishes and tidy up my whole house, and then after some time when my son comes from school, then I eat lunch with my son, and I take little rest. And then after that I shoot my videos, and I teach some kids 4 o'clock, and then I prepare some snacks and have that my son. And after some time I go to the kitchen and I cook my dinner. I cook dinner, and then we have dinner together 9 o'clock, and then I wash all dishes, and then I switch off lights and locked my home, and locks my home, and then I get to bed, and I tell a story to my son, and he fell asleep, and I also teach my son, and sometime after that I put my phone aside, and I go to sleep. So this is my daily routine, and please tell me in comment box your daily routine, and I'm trying to express my views in English. So take care, and see you again. Thanks for watching.